everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to discuss the instrument which is known as a pH meter, and also we know that how we calibrate this pH meter. Basically, this pH meter work on the principle of potentiometer. Okay. So for the calibration of pH meter, we required a pH buffer. So we required a two pH buffer. One is pH for pH 4 and one is for pH 7. Basically, they are what? They are a capsule. See, I am going to show you the capsule and then I will tell you how we prepare it. So what we do, we simply take a 50 ml of distilled water into a beaker and then we twist it, and after twisting it, the substances which are present inside this capsule are dissolved into that 50 ml of distilled water. Once the solution are once the capsule are completely dissolved into the distilled water, then we make a volume 100 ml with the help of distilled water. Then we get this solution that is for pH 4 and that is for pH 7. Okay. So this is a pH meter. This pH meter have four knobs. One knob is for the temperature. One that knob is called a coil, and this coil knob is for a calibration of the pH 7, and this slope is for the pH 4, and this is called a function key, which is moved to and reaches to the pH. Then pH meter also have a electrode. This electrode are always dipped into a KCl solution. Now I am going to start the calibration of this pH meter. First of all, what we have to do, we have to set the temperature 25. Now I am going to set it 25. Then after that, we remove the electrode and wash it with the distilled water. See, I am going to wash it with the help of the distilled water. Then with the help of the cotton, we wipe it. After wiping, we dissolve this electrode into the pH 7. Okay. Now after that, what we have to do, we move that function key to the pH. See, when you are moving it in a display, the values are shown. It is here 5.18 or 17. Now we have to move the call button till we get here 7. Now I am going to move it. See, it is 6.8, 10, 11. Now it is 6.45, 50, 6.76. Now it is reaches 7.0 or 7.1. Now we wait it so that it will become stable. See, now it becomes stable. Now we uh, move this button from pH to the standby and remove the electrode from the pH 7 buffer. Again, we wash this electrode with the help of the distilled water. Again, we have to wipe it with the cotton. After wiping it, we have to calibrate the pH 4. This pH 4 is for a acidic. Now, when we are putting this electrode inside the pH 4, we are not touch two knobs, that is your temperature knob and a coil knob. Okay. Now I am going to move this function key from standby to the pH, and after that, when you are moving it here, it is in display, the value are there, that is around 5.13. Now wait for the stability. Once the stability get, we move the pause button. Here it is 4.949391. Now I'm moving the slope button for calibration the pH 4. When you are moving it, the value are decreasing. Now see it is reaches to 4.20, 4.19, 112, 4.07, 05, 04, 03, and 4.00. Now it is stable. Now wait for the stability. When the stability get, our pH meter are calibrated. Now the value are stable. Now remove the electrode and again wash with the distilled water. And move the function key from pH to a standby. This is how we calibrate our pH meter. Now our pH meter are ready for taking the pH of the sample. Again, after when the work are completed, then you have to put that electrode inside the KCl solution. So this is all about the calibration of the pH meter. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this topic, you can ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and visit